Hi, everyone.
Hello and welcome back.
We're Anna and Jake.
And this is Real Life English.
English, the way people really speak.
Simple
Calm.
and useful for everyday life.
So, Jake, how are you today?
Honestly, a little tired.
Oh no, one of those days?
Yes, I woke up early, made a coffee, and then realized I was still tired.
That sounds very familiar.
How about you?
Not bad. I worked a lot this morning, but at least the internet worked.
That already makes it a good day.
Today, we're talking about something very common.
Very common.
Common English mistakes.
The kind of mistakes many learners make,
Even when their English is quite good.
and that's totally normal.
Yes, making mistakes is part of learning.
So let's look at a few of them
Real-life mistakes.
and how people really say it.
Let's start with a classic one.
A very classic one.
Saying, I am agree.
Oh, yes, I hear this one all the time.
So let's be very clear.
You do not say, I am agree.
You say, I agree.
Just two words.
I agree.
No am.
No am. Smiles.
Why is this mistake so common?
Because in many languages you say it that way.
But in English,
I agree is enough.
let's hear it once more.
I agree.
Perfect.
Okay, next one.
This one is also very common.
Saying, how looks it?
Ah, yes.
It sounds logical, but it's not correct in English.
You don't say, how looks it?
You say, how does it look?
Let's repeat that. How does it look?
Good.
And in real life, people sometimes add a little extra.
Yes, they say, how does it look so far?
Very natural. Okay, next mistake.
This one happens a lot at work.
Saying, I will explain you.
Yes, that one sounds polite, but it's not correct.
You don't say, I will explain you.
You say, I'll explain it to you.
Let's hear it again. I'll explain it to you.
And in real life,
I'll explain it to you.
much better.
Okay, next one.
This one is about time.
People often say, I am here since 2 hours.
Yes, very common.
But in English, we say it differently.
You say, I have been here for 2 hours.
Let's repeat that. I have been here for 2 hours.
And more naturally, I've been here for 2 hours.
Great.
Now, let's add some mistakes that learners make all the time.
Yes, these are the ones you hear everywhere.
Let's talk about articles.
Ah, yes, a and the.
Many learners skip them.
Or they put them in the wrong place.
For example, people often say, I go to shop.
But in English, you need an article.
You say, I go to the shop.
Or I go to a shop.
Both are correct.
But you can't skip it.
Another one. People often say, she is doctor.
Yes, that sounds strange in English.
You say, she is a doctor.
Always a doctor.
Good. Next mistake.
Singular and plural.
This one happens a lot.
People say, 2 coffee.
Yes, very common.
But you say, 2 coffees.
Same with,
3 year.
you say, 3 years,
That S is important.
even if it feels small.
Okay, next one.
This one is about much and many.
People mix them up.
For example, much people.
But you don't say that.
You say, many people.
Much is for things you can't count.
Like,
Much time, much water.
and many is for things you can count.
Many people, many cars.
Good. Next.
This one is about word order.
Yes, English word order is very fixed.
People often say, I very like it,
That sounds logical.
but it's not correct.
You say, I like it very much.
Not, I very like it.
Okay, next mistake.
Using the wrong verb.
People often say, I make a photo.
But in English, you don't make a photo.
You say, I take a photo.
Very common mistake.
Another one like that.
People say, I do a party,
But you say, I have a party.
or I throw a party.
Good. Next.
This one is about prepositions.
Ah, yes, very tricky.
People often say, married with someone.
But in English,
You say, married to someone.
another one.
Depends of.
But you say,
Depends on.
prepositions are hard.
And everyone struggles with that.
Even advanced learners.
Okay, now a few more quick real-life mistakes.
This next one is about giving reasons.
People often say, because of I was tired,
That sounds logical.
but it's not correct.
You don't say, because of I was tired,
You say, because I was tired.
or because of my tiredness.
In real life, people usually say, because I was tired.
Simple. Next one. This one is about double negatives.
People say, I didn't understand nothing.
But in English,
You say, I didn't understand anything.
or more naturally, I didn't get it.
Good. Next one.
This one is about the phone.
People say, I didn't answer the phone.
That can be okay, but native speakers often say,
I didn't pick up.
or I didn't answer the call.
I didn't pick up is very common.
Okay, one more polite one.
People say, can you explain me this?
But you don't say, explain me,
You say, explain this to me.
or can you explain this to me?
Perfect.
Now, one last common one, since and for.
People say, I live here since 5 years.
But you say,
I have lived here for 5 years.
or.
I have lived here since 2020.
Great.
So, what should people do after this episode?
Pick one mistake.
Just one.
Notice it in real life.
And try to correct it
Small steps.
every day.
Thanks for listening today.
We're Anna and
Jake.
And this was Real Life English.
see you next time.
Bye.